In this class, we are going to learn what is Markdown and how can we create one. Markdown is a lightweight and popular markup language, which is a written standard language for data scientists and analysts. It helps in annotating a document in a way that is more convenient from plain text, meaning when the document is processed for display, the markup language is not shown and is only used to format the text. Markdown cell displays text which can be formatted using Markdown language. In order to enter a text which should not be treated as a code by the notebook server, it must be first converted to a Markdown cell, either from the cell menu or by using the keyboard shortcut M while in command mode. Go ahead and create a Markdown cell. We can do a lot with this new cell. The first thing we will create is a heading. Headings start with the hash symbol followed by a space. And there are 6 headings, with the largest heading only using 1 hash symbol and the smallest heading using 6 hash symbols. We can also create block quotes. Block quotes can hold a large chunk of text. They can be obtained by using the Markdown symbol greater than. Let's try them. You can create bold and italic text by using stars. Write a single star for italic, or 2 stars for bold. Or 3 stars for bold and italic, as you can see. You can add horizontal line if you want to separate 2 paragraphs by using 3 hyphens, just like this example. One of the powerful features of using Markdown is creating lists. You can create ordered lists by the required number followed by space with the example given below. Or we can use the same example to create an ordered list by changing the numbers to the hyphen symbol with space. We can also create any text and attach external links to it. Start with the text followed by the URL for the site in the Markdown cell, where the double underscore is on both sides with the text link enclosed in a square bracket and the URL for the site is enclosed in parentheses. The last thing we are going to learn on Markdown is how to create tables and add images to them. The table contains the information in rows and columns and is built by the combination of vertical pipe to separate each column and hyphen symbol to create the header where the blank line. A combination of vertical pipe and dashes to render the table format. Instead of doing it manually, we will use this website to generate the table format for us. As you can see, it's easy and simple to use. Try to create your own table. Now let's add a suitable image to the table. You can insert an image from the toolbar by choosing the Insert Image from the Edit menu. and you can browse for the required image as shown below. In this class, we covered what is Markdown and how can we create our own Markdown cells in Jupyter Notebook. There are more stuff you can do with Markdown. Try searching them. See you in the next video.